How to transfer major from Bitget to Bybit. So first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of major token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open your Bybit account and head over to assets. Now click on deposit. And as you can see here, click on select crypto and now search for major like that. So after you find it, now click on it. And on chain, select Dayton as a network. Now click here to copy the withdrawal address. Now go to the Bitget account, head over to wallet. Now click on withdraw. And as you can see here, search for your coin, the major coin. After you find it, now click on it. Select on chain. Now select the ton as a network. Now here you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account. And here if you have the tag, you can provide it. If you don't, it's optional. Now click on next. And as you can see here, provide or you can type the amount that you want to transfer, as you can see. Now here, this is the fees, as you can see, that you can buy, that you can pay. And this is how much you will be able to receive of that token in your account. So this is how to transfer major from Bitget to Bybit on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.